Alright, this was a travel, just ref suck. Y'all thought I was gonna ear rape you guys again? Nah, I got you guys.
Let's go.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Guys, Wesley's finally here because he's eating carne asada fries. All right, so we're back. We're eating pizza again. Again. We're eating pizza again. That's what we do in like every vlog. Go to the mall, eat pizza.
Don't worry, I'll wash my hands.
The usual Jaden Pengsu. Presley's here today. That's Nathan. Y'all saw him. That's our friend Christian. He's Mexican. All right. Y'all gotta say hi.
Say hi.
Get out of here, bruh.
Hi.
All right. That's Devaney and that's Lexi. You guys probably won't ever see them in a vlog again, but.
So fucking stupid.
The malls were fun, huh? Whoa. Hey, yo. Alright, y'all are. This is why me, Pinkston, and Presley vlog. This is how girls vlog at our school. Alright, look.
I hate how girls vlog at our
This
school.
would be their vlog the whole time.
It's so stupid. They're like,
Hey, let's hear how girls vlog.
Hey guys, at soccer practice. Hey guys, at school. Hey guys, at home. About to go to bed. Alright, good vlog.
Hey,
I like your nose.
Alright, it's for nice. Alright, this is. Oh, you already know all of these people.
Yeah.
New judge? Alright, well, we're still waiting here for our food. It's kind of cold outside.
It is kind of.
Hey, I just noticed that's chill. Look at this scenery. We'll cut that out. Alright, 3, 2.
People are looking at us, bro.
Hey, stare at them back.
No.
They're just jealous of your clout.
Yeah. They want to
Yeah.
Oh, that totally wasn't me doing the mukbang. Alright, if y'all want a continuation of that, comment down below in the ranch, you dig? Alright, so, yeah, we got our food, and now we're eating. Man, this tastes like chicken.
Did you guys like my forehead? And my
Show it again. I mean, how did you guys feel about the forehead?
my forehead ain't that big. If you think about it, if you divide 4 times 2, that equals 75. That means 75 inches of forehead. That's not that big.
I got 75 inches of heart for you. Respect women.
Shit in 2018.
What, Ebony?
It's women, dum dum.
Like, see.
Ashman.
Hey, let me. Hey, Devin, you better go.
It all. Y'all saw it here. If y'all really want more Asian people singing, excuse me, y'all want more Asian people singing, what do they need to do, Pengsu?
Like and subscribe.
And comment.
And comment.
Post notifications.
And shout us out on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, on everything.
On everything, you dig? Recycling on the haters. I like to eat taters. Don't know where this is going. Your girl be hoeing. Whoa. I be in the shafts, mining all the ores. You're
What?
Where do you want to work?
A rolled ice cream place.
Wow.
So I can get ice cream for free. Maybe like the thing where you cross your legs twice like that. Cross your legs? No. Cross your legs normally like that. And then put this one under.
Got it.
You're good. Ours is better. It's yours.
Y'all are mean.
Ours is better.
No, you.
I know I'm better.
I should go get president.
Alright, ready?
Bro, no, bro.
I'm honest.
Is that banana?
Are you allergic?
No, it's just not good.
No, that's Nutella.
That's banana.
This banana, it's in there.
And Nutella.
Where's the Nutella part?
I taste the Nutella.
This is some good lighting, bro. Ew.
Shit, can I eat some now?
Alright. Well, that's it for this segment.
Yeah, jerk.
No one can too. Oh, I hit that. Oh.
I will leave my heart at the door. I won't say a word. They've all been said before, you know it. So act weird. Just play pretend, like we're not scared of what's come next, or scared of having nothing left.
But
Those are girls.
yeah, what she said.
Shit, don't
Alright.
expose us.
The day is almost done. I'm gonna go home, play Smash. I might vlog that. If y'all wanna see it.
Ooh, golden hour.
Golden hour? I'm always golden.
No. Golden boy. Ew. Ew. I'm joking.
I'll see why me and Presley stay single. It's just too much work.
I'll take over their vlog.
I don't like when girls vlog.
Or you don't have a choice.
Don't test me. I respect women.
No, you don't. Shut up. This is not 2018. This is 2019. We don't respect women.
We love you, Savannah.
What I said.
I know you're watching this.
Yeah, we love you, Savannah.
This is your dedication.
okay.
This is gonna be the outro.
Ooh.
I love
You made me cry. You're okay.
Hi,
It's about
Suave.
suave.
Hopefully you come back, because, you know, we're going to miss you.
Since when are you sweet? Or maybe you just don't like me.
Alright, well, I guess this vlog's
Yeah,
for
okay.
Suave.
You're
Hey, be
bitch.
quiet!
How about
Oh my god, I'm trying to do a dedication part. Alright, well, I guess this vlog goes out to Suave. If you
Shout
come
out
back,
Savannah.
I know her as Suave.
So gay.
You're lucky you don't gotta do the math homework. Alright.
Suicide as I just fell off and shot your body.